This is Bobby at Copenhagen TV Repair with a functionality proof video for a main board for Vizio XVT3D474SV belonging to a customer with initials RS. I'm sorry I don't remember the name, it will be in the title of the video. When the board arrived, it was apparent that it was previously serviced, and we communicated that with the customer. We saw notes, we saw traces of the board being worked on before us. We also saw traces of Nick's TV repair, and we got an agreement to show the board working before sending it back. There it is working. That video